Actor comedian Kapil Sharma has now broken silence on the shooting at his Canada cafe, Caps Cafe, which has taken place at least on 3 different occasions in the last 6 months. He's now come out and said that the Canadian police do not have the power to control such incidents. He further added that this could be because of the kind of rules that Canada has, but his cafe, despite under attack, has not bowed down to any of these threats. He says that every single time that there was a firing attack, in fact, the cafe came back stronger.
तो ये इंसिडेंट कनाडा में हुआ, वैंकूवर में, और आई थिंक 3 बार वहां पे फायरिंग हुई. तो ये केस फेडरल में चला गया, जैसे हमारी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट होती है, वहां पे कनाडा की पार्लियामेंट की उसके ऊपर चर्चा हुई. तो मुझे तो लगता है कि ऊपर वाला जो करता है उसके पीछे की जो कहानी होती है हम नहीं समझ पाते, लेकिन बहुत सारे लोगों के मुझे फोन आए कि वहां पे ऑलरेडी ये सब बहुत कुछ चल रहा था, लेकिन आपके कैफे पे फायरिंग हुई, वो न्यूज बनी. तो अब जो है वहां की पुलिस, वहां का लॉ एंड ऑर्डर जो है वो उसमें काफी इंप्रूवमेंट करने की तरफ उनके वो कदम बढ़ रहे हैं. सो आई थिंक और बाकी मैं कभी मुंबई में और अपनी कंट्री में तो कभी अनसेफ फील नहीं करता. हमारी मुंबई पुलिस जैसा कोई भी नहीं है.
Yasha, my colleague, now joins us, getting us more details on this. Yasha, this is the first time that Kapil Sharma has come out and made a comment, despite there being at least 3 such firing incidents at Caps Cafe in the last 6 months.
Absolutely. Like you rightly mentioned, Poonam, there have been 3 firing incidents before at Caps Cafe, starting, it was one in July, in August, and eventually in October. In fact, in the wake of all of these incidents, we of course saw how there were questions that were raised, and the matters were brought to the authority. When it comes to the Mumbai police, of course, when it comes to the security of Kapil Sharma, even that was something that was discussed with the cops. However, speaking about this incident, like you rightly mentioned, for the first time, Kapil Sharma has gone ahead to speak about this, wherein he's gone ahead to, in fact, speak about the fact that when it comes to places outside the country, there are time and again such instances which take place, particularly related to crime, but they are not really addressed, when it comes to the cops there, and which is where he also has gone ahead to speak about the fact that there are people, citizens who are staying there, who've mentioned that the question of law and order in other countries is only being addressed when it is highlighted, when it comes to any kind of celebrity, including Kapil Sharma. However, when it comes to his statement, he's also gone further to comment and applaud the Mumbai police, or for that matter, the agencies in India, stating that he's never felt unsafe in the country. But when it comes to such instances, they usually take place in some country outside, and such law and order issues are not really addressed. Yes.
Right. Yasha, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that front. We'll